The easy, 1-minute sex fix every marriage needs. Most couples get into this rut. The only time they get excited together is when they're going to have sex. But the happiest couples make a point to get excited together even when they're not going to have sex. In sex therapy, we call this simmering, getting aroused just for a minute or two, for no reason at all, just because it feels good. You know who's the best at simmering? Teenagers. You take a couple, boyfriend and girlfriend, in high school. Let's say they have 3 minutes between classes. They meet at one of their lockers, hold each other, inhale each other's scent, breathe together, feel excited, and then the bell rings and they're off to the next class, feeling just a little buzzed. There's no reason when you're married that you can't do the exact same thing in the kitchen before dinner, in bed at night before you fall asleep, or on your way out the door in the morning. All you need is to get over the idea that arousal always has to lead to sex. People sometimes ask, isn't that frustrating? Just getting excited and then not doing anything about it? Well, yeah. But for most people, a little bit of frustration kind of keeps you in the game. Now, simmering is not the same as cuddling. If you just got your arms around each other, cuddling, watching TV, and there's no sexual current passing between you, that's not going to do anything for your sexual energy. In fact, it kind of depletes it. Simmering is different. It charges you up. That's something most couples need. So tonight, instead of kissing your husband goodnight, why not simmer him goodnight? And tomorrow morning, instead of kissing your wife goodbye, try simmering her goodbye. Simmering, it's a great way to stay connected. It's also a lot of fun. I'm Dr. Snyder. If you'd like to learn more about simmering and other secrets to a lifetime of sexual happiness, check out my new book, Love Worth Making: How to Have Ridiculously Great Sex in a Long-Lasting Relationship. Available wherever books are sold. And be sure to join me at loveworthmaking.com.